At the risk of putting you off your lunch and dinner and tomorrow's breakfast possibly, and at the risk of incurring the wrath of all the stans who are understandably reluctant to admit that a number of advent calendars are now a big rip-off, let me begin this video by telling you that there is more substance inside the giant pimple on my face than there is in the advent calendar about which I am going to talk today. Long and convoluted sentence later, the calendar looks like that, and I think that is possibly the best part of this advent calendar. The looks, yeah, it does look good. The nice colour and everything, festive. This apparently is worth £565, and it is priced at £99. Now last year they priced it at £80 for subscribers. Non-subscribers had a price tag of £95, but there was a discount code. Now it will be available for pre-order on the 1st of September with general sales and possibly shipping starting on October 1st. Now they've been very clever. They've either said full size or deluxe size without specifying exact sizes, but yeah, based on the picture over there, I mean, I think we can guess a few sizes. Some are actually mentioned in the picture. Now, why do I believe that there is more substance inside my pimple than there is inside this advent calendar? Let's find out. Here are the contents. The first product, everybody's favorite brand, a very cult brand, a very famous brand that all the skincare gurus and the major dermatologists around the world absolutely swear by. It is Avant. You get the Avant Hyaluronic Acid Molecular Boost Eye Cream. You get full sized, which is 10 mils, and that retails at a whopping price tag of £98. Now remember, even the Dr. Dennis Gross or the Estee Lauder eye cream don't cost as much. So what is Avant doing that? There has been a lot of discussion on this channel about Avant in the past, not only in previous year's advent calendar videos, but also somewhere within the depths of my community page. Paula Holmes of the London Diaries actually joined the discussion, and I'm gobsmacked. I mean, what is a big influencer doing like her doing on my poultry little tuppenny channel? She shared a few insights about Avant as well, and yes, it is understandably, you know, there are a lot of questions raised, a lot of questions to be asked about Avant. So with this one product, £98, 10 mils of product, you know, the calendar costs 99 quid. Yeah, that's it. £1 extra for the entire box and the rest of the item. This actually makes me want to cry, you know. I mean, you can't just do that. You can't just have a product with a big price tag, which isn't even, you know, a big name brand such as, you know, Estee Lauder, Dr. Dennis Gross, or Kate Somerville, or Tata Harper, any of those big skincare brands that, you know, gurus such as Caroline Hirons swear by. This is Avant. You know, you don't even find much information about the brand on their own website or anywhere else on the interwebs. So yeah, I'm not happy at all with this inclusion, nor am I happy about that price tag, nor am I happy that, you know, with that one product, 98 quid, cost of the advent calendar, 99 quid. Boo! Right, the next product is the Beauty Pro Retinal Eye Masks. So you get 3 under eye patches, people, retinal eye masks. They are indeed full-sized, and that retails at 5 quid for 3. All 3 retail at £5. Yeah. Next you have the Chiarte Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. 30ml is full size, but you only get 10 ml, so we're not going to count that. Next you get Cocoa and Eve Like a Virgin Hair Mask. Now, Lookfantastic claims this is full sized. 212 mils is full-sized. Based on the picture of the advent calendar with all the products, it is quite clear that we are only getting 68 mils, which is indeed not full-sized. The next product is the Color Wow Color Security Shampoo and Conditioner. You only get 75 mils a piece, and a full-sized is 250 mils, so not going to count this either. The next is the Disciple Shadow Work AHA Brightening Serum. Full-sized, apparently, according to Lookfantastic. There is nothing like this on the Disciple, you know, from Disciple, anywhere on the interwebs. So I'm afraid I'm going to have to admit that I know nothing about this product, including price, picture, or anything really. Maybe it is something to be launched, or maybe it is an exclusive product crafted purely for Lookfantastic. We won't know until the advent calendar comes out. Anyway, it is an AHA serum, that means glycolic acid. The next product is supposedly the Dr. Pawpaw Collagen Lip Oil, full-sized. Now, there is no lip oil anywhere on the Dr. Pawpaw website. In the calendar's picture over there, you can see that this is actually the hot pink lip balm, and that is only 10 mils, 25 mils is full size. Yeah, that is the product in the advent calendar's picture there. That is the hot pink lip balm, you know, the Dr. Pawpaw regular lip balm thing, multi-purpose balm. The next product is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Moisture Essence. You get 28 mils of product, 100 mils is full-sized, not going to count it. Next you have the Espa Positivity Bath and Shower Gel. You get 100 mils, full size is 250 mils, not going to count it either. Next you have from Evlo, thankfully not that cleanser. This is the Rescue Mask. 100 mils is full size, you only get a deluxe size, not going to count it. The next is everybody's favorite brand, Ico Black Magic Liquid Liner Mini, not even full-sized, Mini Ico. So I'm not going to show you the product because, yeah, this is actually going to go into my Nightmare Advent calendar for this year. The next product, again, Lookfantastic claims it is full-sized. First Aid Beauty Ultra Opaque Cream. Sorry, full-size is 396 grams of product. For you only get 56.7 grams of product. Sorry, that is not full-sized. The First Aid Beauty Ultra Opaque Cream, another product that we've seen quite a lot of. Next you have Grand Cosmetics Grand Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. Now you get 1 mil, full-sized is between 2 and 4 mils. Now this 1 mil actually retails at 35 quid and the 2 mil version retails at 62 quid. Oh my god, what are they doing selling a 2 mil product at 60? I don't really trust lash enhancing serums. The next is a product that I already have. That a number of us may already have. I can't show it to you because, you know, it's somewhere within the depths of my stash. It is the iconic London Day to Slay palette, full-sized indeed. That retails at £45. This actually, I got mine from the CEW beauty bag box. A number of people have said they've got it from previous beauty boxes. So yeah, this isn't exactly groundbreaking. The next product is the IsoClean Makeup Brush Cleaner. You only get a deluxe size, but full size is 250 ml, so not going to count it. The next product is Lookfantastic's Bespoke Makeup Brush and Velvet Pouch, full sized as opposed to half-sized pouch with, you know, only half the brushes. So that is the product. Next you have an exclusive Lookfantastic Airy Winter Theme Candle. That is only deluxe sized, not going to count it. However, the next product is full sized. That is from MAC. It is the MAC Stack Mascara with a mega brush. Full sized indeed, retailing at £26. Next you have from Medicaid C Tetra Serum. You only get deluxe size, 30 ml is full, so not going to count it. Also from Medicaid is the Surface Radiance Cleanse. 40 ml is deluxe sized, which is what we get in this wonderful advent calendar. 150 ml is full sized, so not going to count it. However, the next product, despite being, you know, somebody actually said that they had a big stack of these. So what am I on about? Oh, it's become sticky over the years, eh? Now, if you haven't identified that product yet, which is a mini, which is what is being sent out in the advent calendar, then I have nothing more to say to you. Right, the next product is from Nude Sticks. It is the Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm. Deluxe size, not going to count it. Next you have from Origins the Mega Mushroom Treatment. You get full size at 200 ml, which retails at 32 quid. From Real Techniques you get the Miracle Complexion Sponge, full-sized sponge as opposed to a half-sized sponge, which retails at £6.99. Next you have from Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, deluxe size, probably 25 ml. Yeah, this is 75 ml, this is 25 ml. Lastly, from Rituals, the Ritual of Jing Body Scrub, deluxe size, not going to count it either. So, NARS Mini Orgasm, Dr. Pawpaw, Ico, Avant, Face Sponge, a set of brushes that are from their own brand. Is there anything at all that is lacking in this advent calendar? I think there is, the Omorovitz are missed that they could have included possibly the Paula's Choice 2% BHA and a jade roller, which would have completed everything nicely. What a treat, what a treat. This calendar is chock-a-block with dots. Let's count the full sizes. Avant, Retinal Under Eye Patches, the iconic London palette, the bespoke brush set and pouch, the MAC mascara, the Origins Mega Mushroom treatment, and the Real Techniques. So 7 full sizes. Now let's do the price breakdown. Avant, 98 quid. Oh my god, I hate doing this. Beauty Pro eye patches, 5 quid. That's 103 pounds. Iconic London, 45 quid. That's 148 pounds. I'm not going to ascribe any value to the Lookfantastic makeup brush set because I don't know the value. Disciple AHA Brightening Serum, ditto. Anyway, we've exceeded the cost of the Advent calendar with that Avant, haven't we? Right, MAC mascara, 26 quid, that gives you 174 pounds. Real Techniques complexion sponge, 6.99, that gives you 180.99. Origins Mega Mushroom treatment, 32 quid, that gives you 212.99. So 7 products, you get 212.99 pounds. Now, possibly the Disciple is a full-size product, which gives you 8 full sizes. So even so, it isn't. I mean, what happened to Lookfantastic? What happened to that brand that gave us that gorgeous Alice in Wonderland Advent calendar with all those, Crabtree and Evelyn hand cream and so many goodies in the Pixie big box of products? I'm not saying, send us Pixie. I'm saying, there was so much variety in there. Now, nothing, One of those calendars had a Tangle teaser. I'm not saying send us Tangle teasers. I'm saying there was variety. That is the point that I'm trying to make here. There was diversity. There's nothing here. Please don't waste your money. I mean, it is your money. You are free to make paper boats out of your money and, sail them in the river or ponds or seas or something, depending on where you live. But, don't listen to me. But, my personal thing is this is a complete rip-off, and there is more substance in my pimple. This is ridiculous. It is. I mean, I can't think of a product that actually. I mean, the iconic London palette is all right. It is, 45 quid for this palette. I would rather spend, something on a better palette for that money. 45 quid. On the sales. Delilah has better palettes than Iconic London. And it's a very, it has been sent out before in several beauty boxes and Advent calendars. It is, for those interested, made in the PRC. I would say, 45 quid for that big monster of a palette. Yeah, spend 45 quid on one of the other nicer palettes out there. I think I'll move on because there is nothing except dissing to do here for me. Dr. Popper, oh my god. I mean, the Elemis Pro Collagen, we've seen all these, Coco and Eve, like a virgin hair mask, a random nude stick, that, how lame and lazy. I don't know who's curating this, but they've done a very, very poor job of it this year. So will I buy it? If I answer that question, YouTube is going to ban me for extremely profane language. Best not. Do tell me your thoughts in the comments below. You know what, I'm just going to go away. Just tell me your thoughts below. That's all from me for today. Thank you for watching. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. Speak to you soon.